The first of the month can suck because for those of you that rent, you have to pay rent. And usually that's your biggest expense every month, and that means a large chunk of money leaving your bank account. Well, Bilt Rewards is trying to make the first of every month less painful with rent day promotions. If you're not familiar with Bilt Rewards and the Bilt MasterCard, it's the card that allows you to pay rent for no additional fee, and you still earn points that you can use towards travel. The card has no annual fee, and whether you pay through ACH or a physical check, the card does not charge you any fees to pay your rent, which landlords typically charge you 3% or more when you're paying your rent with credit cards. So that's the big benefit of the Bilt MasterCard, is that you can pay rent for no fee, still earn points that you can use towards travel. If you're interested in learning more about the Bilt MasterCard, my referral link will be down in the description. On the first of every month, Bilt Rewards has a thing called Rent Day, where Bilt MasterCard holders will earn double the points on all spend categories except for rent, which I find a little odd that it's a credit card that's geared towards rent, but you don't earn double the points on rent day. That's just my opinion. Well, this is how it works. Typically, you earn 3 times points on dining, 2 times points on travel, 1 times points on everything else, and 1 times points on rent. But on rent day and rent day only, which is the first of the month, you'll earn double points on everything except for rent. And so dining would be 6 times points, travel would be 4 times points, and everything else would be 2 times point, and rent is still only 1 times points. You can earn up to 50,000 bonus points every rent day. My strategy for rent day is that if I have a large travel purchase for a hotel booking or a flight booking that's close to the first of the month, then I typically wait until rent day and put those charges on my Bilt MasterCard so I can earn those double points. I'm in need of some Bilt points because I like to transfer my Bilt points over to Hyatt and book some Hyatt hotel stays. In addition to earning double points on rent day, Bilt Rewards has also been partnering up with different airlines and hotel programs to offer up some additional perks and benefits on rent day as well. This upcoming December 1st rent day, Bilt Rewards partnered up with IHG One Rewards to offer a 100% transfer bonus from Bilt Rewards over to IHG One Rewards points. So instead of a 1-to-1 transfer ratio from Bilt Rewards over to IHG One Rewards, it's a 1-to-2 ratio, which is the highest transfer bonus I've ever seen ever since I started Miles and Points. That means you can transfer 60,000 Bilt Reward points over to IHG One Rewards to get 120,000 IHG One Reward points to book the Intercontinental Maldives if you wanted to, or you can transfer 11,000 Bilt Reward points over to IHG One Rewards to book this hotel in Japan, which I'm most likely going to be doing because I'm going to be visiting Japan in 2023. Another cool thing that's coming up on this December 1st rent day is that instead of being rent day for only 1 day, Bilt Rewards is giving us 7 days of rent day. So instead of only December 1st, you have November 25th to December 1st, a 7-day span to earn 2 times points except for rent. So there could be some fun surprises when it comes to rent day, and so hopefully the Bilt Rewards team keeps up with some of these fun surprises and continually offers some of these good promotions. All the updates and promotions and deals on rent days can be found on the Bilt mobile app, so just make sure you download the Bilt Rewards mobile app and keep it up to date so that you can get all the information on the upcoming rent days. Again, if you're interested in learning more or applying for the Bilt MasterCard and you're a renter, then check out the link down in the description for my referral link. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you like Miles and Points content like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.